dishwasher. Jesus Christ. Oh, never mind. I love that this game is like, no, jackass, over here. Come back. Alright, I gotta find an access point.
It's in the coffee shop.
Is it? Well, I think they just wanted me to come back to the coffee shop. Or maybe it is in the coffee shop. Hi. Hey, what's up, guys? That's the music. I'm gonna walk out your back. Excuse me, I don't work here. I'm going to go out this door. It should be in this circle.
Whoa,
I'm...
loud.
That's a steam pipe. Could kill that lady. Would the camera help me, maybe?
Can you hack that dude that's got the little icon over his head?
Possibly. But I don't think... I'm looking for like a... Like one of those security boxes, I think.
There was a box thingy in the...
Okay. There it is. It's across the fucking street. I walked around like an asshole for probably 5 minutes. Then I decided, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to look it up. Because I don't want to be sitting here forever. Yep. Nope. Across the street. I'm an idiot. Alright, let's move on. Now we get to play the hacking game that I know you guys all love to watch me do. Boop. Boop-a-doop. Boop. Boop. Oh, nope. Gotta send it this way first. Buttons. There we go. That way goes that way. That way goes that way. And I'm the man. What's up, you default motherfucker? Oh, T-Bone's in his house.
T-Bone, wrap it up.
Uh-oh.
The toys. We gotta
Excuse
get
me.
you out.
Oh man, do I have to guide T-Bone out of this place? Because that's gonna suck. Get him, Bone.
Where is he?
Don't worry about it. Go, T-Bone, go!
Kid's got fixers working for him. Whatever alarms we tripped, he sent these guys running. Fuckers came pretty fast.
Just stay low. I'll get you clear.
Okay, where the fuck's T-Bone?
Besides that funky prototype shit. Then where the hell did he find that?
Okay, so there's Bone,
Man, if I just had
and I gotta get him there.
What did you find? On his computer.
Right. A weakness. I found a weakness in there. He's carrying the data with him. Like, on his person. It's a security
Oh shit.
measure, I guess, but
Well,
he ain't as secure as he'd like to think.
T-Bone, move! Ah, shit. Alright. Well, that went poorly. So I'm gonna open up with this, heavy assault, this, heavy machine gun. Ah! I fucking hate everything. I want you guys to know that. I hate everything.
Kid's got fixers working for him. Whatever alarms we tripped, he sent these guys running.
Okay.
Fuckers came pretty fast.
Just stay low. I'll get you clear.
I found something in his computer. Besides that funky prototype shit. Now where the hell did he find that?
Move, T-Bone. Move, 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 move.
Minutes more.
Oh, balls.
What did you find? On his computer.
Distraction.
Right. A weakness. I found a weakness in there. He's carrying the data with him.
Well,
Like
that worked.
It's a security measure, I guess, but he ain't as secure as he'd like to think.
Okay,
What are you
alright.
saying? We find
T-Bone,
you
just
can steal
stay
the
there.
data back?
And he
Everybody relax.
thinks he can fuck with Raymond Kenny. He has no idea who he's up against.
Balls, T-Bone, move.
Go, go. Stay low.
Okay, alright. Uh-oh. Well, that happened again. Okay. I know. I'm gonna shoot him anyway. Die! Nope. Nope. Not again. God damn it! Shut the fuck up. Don't laugh at me. This isn't bad as you playing Dark Souls.
Yeah, I will say, me playing Dark Souls is pretty good.
You know what? Fuck this. It might just be easier to shoot these motherfuckers.
Fuckers came pretty fast.
Just stay
Oh,
low.
A12.
We'll get you
Do
clear.
it. Do it, son.
I found something in his computer. Besides that funky prototype shit. And where the hell did he find that?
I need cover. Okay, he's up range. Gonna wipe this fucker out. And then, oh, T-Bone's gonna die like a motherfucker. Yep, T-Bone's dead. Man, I hate this fucking game. I hate it. I hate it. I fucking hate it.
Been recording for over 30 minutes.
Shut up.
Working for him. Whatever alarms we tripped,
Somebody put laundry in the fucking dryer.
fuckers came pretty fast.
Yeah, yeah.
Just stay
Don't
low.
start with me,
We'll
motherfucker.
get you clear.
I'm in no mood.
I found something in his computer.
Okay, guys, go over there. Leave. Leave me alone.
And where the hell did he find that? Man, if I just had 10 minutes more.
What did you find? On his computer.
Right. A weakness. I found a weakness
This
in
just
there.
sucks.
He's carrying the data with him. Like, on his person. It's a security measure, I guess, but he ain't
Okay, that's just a volunteer. Okay, that's just not even a
What are you
dude.
saying? We
Okay,
find
so
him,
we'll try
we
and
can
get him
steal
out
the data
this
back?
way.
And he won't know it. Thinks he can fuck with Raymond Kenny. He has no idea
Oh, hide.
who he's up against.
That car alarm. Quick, everyone, look over there. Explode. Oh, thank God. T-Bone, don't die. Alright, well, fuck. Again, we're here now. T-Bone's dying horribly. Pump around to that fucking guy. Alright, quick, hide. Take cover, take cover, take cover. Whew. Alright. I'm okay, T-Bone's fine. Urgh. Get him, T-Bone. Okay. Come here, you motherfucker. I have a present for you. A nice present. Ah! Ah! Arrgh! I probably could have stopped shooting when I killed him, but fuck that.
T-Bone has escaped.
T-Bone, no. Why?
Oh, there's one more thing. When I was in that rat hole, I noticed that little shit's been fucking around inside CTOS.
Oh man.
Yeah, he's got access.
Quick, give me the fucking plastic car. Oh no, not default. Fuck. I've released the hounds. Great. Oh, this guy's a piece of shit. I'm already not a fan of this guy. Dude, I'm going to cut that fucking mouse head off of you. Double back. They'll never see that coming. They saw it coming. Damn. They were ready for me. Oh, that one's dead. Oh, left. Ah, the fucker with the goddamn streetlights. Oh, this guy's an asshole. Ugh, problem is I need. Oh God. Oh, dude, I am beat to shit already. I need a bridge. Motherfuck you, default. Fuck you too. Ugh. Who? Brakes. People. Dodge people. Dodge brakes. Meh. Through. Neutralize. Left. Right. I'm dyslexic. Wait for it. Nope. Too far away. Really need to escape. Holster my weapon. Thank you, game. Bridge. There we go. Up we go. Fuck you, default. I'm going to... Fuck you.
No way you lost us that easily.
Woo. Swap cars real quick.
Backup units on site.
Hey, close that fucking door. Why is that open? You stay closed. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna be a pussy and hide in here. Cause fuck this guy.
Where? Anyone see him?
Why does Deadmau5 have to be so mean? I'm gonna go hang out with Skrillex. I bet that guy's nicer. Oh, goddamn. Hide in the car.
Let's call it.
Ha ha! Fingers to the screen. That's right. You better fucking have that kind of face. I'm going to murder you. He dies painfully and slowly.
Yeah, really slow.
This game is stressful as fuck. I just want you to know that. The fuck are you doing, man?
Oh, I want to
Motherfucker, I'm in the middle of some shit.
You heard of a place called God Connection?
While you're being chased by the police, watch this video.
Right, quick. Show me the video while I'm recording. It's a good plan.
Is that all you got?
Oh, and I found a 6 gig USB stick full of lesbian porn.
Sweet.
Keep it.
No, don't let him keep it. Fuck that, I want that. I mean, I have the internet, but still. Fuck it, we'll walk.
I'm gonna park my car here.
Yeah, fuck this guy. Alright, we're gonna continue on because, like, half of this time was filled with pause and me fucking around and me dying, so. And I really want to kill Default. He's probably like some 16-year-old kid,
Oh yeah.
with my luck.
Then you have to pop his face.
I do, I mean, well, unless this is Skyrim and you can't kill children. Like, if you're not 18, you're safe. Wish it worked in life that way.
The Ambrose. Nikki and I used to catch a movie here. Not just some
Pause that shit, man. You can know that it comes up my audio.
dead-
The fuck are you doing? You're supposed to be the professional here.
He's probably
I'll
expecting
stab you. Fucking look at him. He's all over the cameras and shit still. The Ambrose. Dude, shout out to Dean. Open profiler. Who am I looking for? Enter discreetly. The bouncer. Okay. He's an amateur wrestler? Dude, please. Okay, so... What up, dog? Oh,